If you want to know how to buy shares of Guardant Health Inc., this video walks through the exact steps. Guardant Health is a precision oncology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GH, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GH to find Guardant Health. Choose the listing that shows NASDAQ and the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the NASDAQ GH ticker and company name to confirm this is the right asset. Click Investor Buy into the amount you want to purchase, review the order details carefully, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your Guardant Health position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is included in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.